Today I want to give you a quick tip on the Bartender application. Bartender's tagline is to take full control of your menu bar icons. So as soon as I install this, I'm going to be able to control all these icons. As we've added utility apps to our Mac, the number of menu bar icons has just grown and grown and grown. Now there's just too many of them. They span more than half of my screen. So I'm going to install the Bartender app and show you what this does. Okay, the first time you launch Bartender, you're greeted by this welcome screen. I'm going to choose not to show this again and click Next. I'm going to need to give Bartender some permissions, so I'm going to click here. If you've seen some of the other videos, we've gone through this many times, clicking on the lock, entering our password, and putting a check mark next to Bartender. Okay, Bartender is now asking for screen recording, so let me check on that. And click Bartender. Okay, and I'm always going to click later and close this. All right, now I'm going to click next, and Bartender is going to tell me a little bit more about how this works. Basically, all of the menu bar icons that I choose will be hidden behind Bartender's icon. In this case, it's 3 dots. And if you right click or control click on the Bartender icon, you can get to preferences or quit the app. Let's open preferences. Okay, so here in the Bartender preferences, we're on the menu items tab. This is where we're going to go through each of our icons and see if we want them to appear or if we want to hide them for now. So I'm going to go to displays. I'm going to click here and say hide. For Wi-Fi, I'm also going to hide that. I don't normally need to see that. Okay, so you get the idea. I'm just going to click through the different applications that I don't need to see and hide all the ones that I don't need. But the ones that I do need, I'm going to leave visible. Okay, I've got my icons how I like them. I'm going to click on General and Startup. I want to always start Bartender at login, so I'm going to check that. Okay, besides these options, I don't worry about appearance, hotkeys, or advanced. So I'm pretty much done with Bartender. I can close this. Okay, and that's your tip to just clean up your menu bar. So with Bartender running, I've got only the things I need to see here. And if I need any of the other icons, I just click on Bartender. I see the rest of the icons and I can toggle back and forth. If I ever need go into the preferences and add or remove icons, I can right click or control click on Bartender and then go to preferences. So that's a quick tip. Bartender just helps clean things up and make your screen beautiful.